Today we're going to talk about something that's a part of daily life for so many, but it's often surrounded by a bit of confusion: men's underwear. It's time we got some clear, simple answers, so let's just dive right in.
So, here's the big question, right? Should you be wearing it? Is it absolutely essential for your health and hygiene, or is it really just a matter of personal preference? Well, the answer, as you're about to see, isn't a straight yes or no. It really all comes down to the situation. To really wrap our heads around this, let's use a fantastic analogy from Dr. Imran Khan. He suggests that we should think about underwear not just as a piece of clothing, but more like a specific tool that you use for a specific job, kind of like a helmet.
And the logic is really simple when you think about it. If you're on a motorcycle, a helmet is absolutely critical safety gear. But when you're inside a car, well, it's not necessary at all. The helmet's importance is completely based on the situation. And that is the exact same way we should be thinking about underwear. So what this all boils down to is that underwear is, first and foremost, a functional protective garment. We're not talking about fashion here. We're talking about its actual job. It's built for support, for cutting down on friction, and for managing moisture, but only when you actually need those things. All right, so keeping that helmet idea in our back pocket, let's get practical. When does wearing underwear actually give you real, tangible benefits for your health and your comfort? Just think about a typical busy day. Maybe you have a long commute, you spend hours sitting at a desk, or you're just walking around the office. All of that movement, whether you're walking, sitting, or traveling, creates a very specific set of needs for your body. And in these active moments, a good pair of cotton underwear provides that vital support. It helps absorb sweat, which is huge for cutting down on the moisture that can lead to irritation or even common fungal infections like jock itch. Plus, it acts as a much-needed barrier against rough fabrics like jeans.
And this goes double for when you're really pushing yourself at the gym. Whether you're lifting weights, hopping on a bike, or going for a run, your body's in constant motion. A supportive undergarment isn't just about comfort here. It can seriously help prevent distractions and maybe even a potential injury.
Now think about the clothes a lot of us wear these days. Tighter jeans and trousers can create a lot of pressure and trap heat. A comfortable layer of underwear acts like a protective buffer, just safeguarding your skin and helping to keep things, well, a little more regulated down there.
And then there's the confidence factor, which is a big deal. Underwear can help manage any minor, totally normal bodily discharges or little drops of urine, which helps keep your outer clothes clean. It also gives you a degree of discretion, which can definitely help you avoid any potential social awkwardness. It's really just peace of mind. But, and this is the key part of that whole helmet analogy, if you're just relaxing at home, maybe working from your couch in a comfortable, low-key environment, that need for a protective layer just isn't there. In those moments, the choice to go with or without is completely up to you and what feels most comfortable. Okay, so let's say the situation calls for it. What kind of underwear should you choose? Because the material you pick is absolutely fundamental to getting all those comfort and health benefits we've been talking about.
It all comes down to one word: breathability. You're going to want to go for soft, natural fabrics like cotton. The fibers in cotton are great because they absorb moisture and let air flow freely. Synthetic fabrics, on the other hand, often do the opposite. They trap heat and sweat right up against your skin, and that's a recipe for irritation.
And finally, let's cover the most important part of making this all work for you: proper hygiene. It's incredibly simple, but it is essential if you want to get all those protective benefits. There are really just two simple rules. First, change into a fresh pair every single day, no exceptions. Your underwear absorbs sweat and moisture all day. Re-wearing it just re-exposes your skin to all that, and that completely defeats the purpose. And second, of course, wash it after each use. A clean start every day is key.
So let's circle all the way back. Is underwear a necessity? Well, just like that helmet, it's the right tool for certain situations. This isn't an all-or-nothing rule book. The real takeaway here is to understand its purpose, take a look at your own daily life, and then make the choice that works best for your personal comfort and your health.